Welcome back to our channel. This is the third session in our series on practicing mock exams about the BACB ethics code, specifically focusing on responsibility as a professional. If you haven't watched the first two videos yet, I highly recommend you check them out to get a complete understanding. In this session, we'll dive deeper into various scenarios to help reinforce your knowledge of these essential ethical guidelines. Let's get started. Mock Exam 1. Client likes to work with this RBT, so the parent asks the RBT to be their kid's private tutor. What ethical guideline does this violate? 1. Conforming with legal and professional requirements. 2. Multiple relationships. 3. Non-harassment. 4. Cultural responsiveness and diversity. The correct answer is 2. Multiple relationships. Behavior analysts should avoid entering into multiple relationships that could impair their objectivity and professional judgment. Mock Exam 2. A behavior analyst realizes they accidentally reported incorrect data in a client's progress report. What should they do? 1. Ignore it since the client won't notice. 2. Inform the client and correct the data. 3. Wait until the next progress report to correct it. 4. Blame the error on a colleague. Ignore it since the client won't notice. This is not correct. Ignoring the error is unethical because it compromises the accuracy and integrity of the client's records. Inform the client and correct the data. Looks great. According to Ethics Code 1.1, being truthful behavior, analysts should provide truthful and accurate information and correct mistakes promptly. Wait until the next progress report to correct it. This is not correct. Delaying the correction means the error remains unaddressed, which could affect decision-making and treatment planning in the interim. Blame the error on a colleague. This is not correct. Blaming others for one's mistakes is unethical and does not resolve the issue. Therefore, the correct answer is 2. Inform the client and correct the data. Behavior analysts should provide truthful and accurate information and correct mistakes promptly. Mock Exam 3. A behavior analyst ensures they have the necessary licenses and certifications to practice legally in their state. This demonstrates 1. Being truthful. 2. Practicing within scope of competence. 3. Conforming with legal and professional requirements. 4. Accountability. The correct answer is 3. Conforming with legal and professional requirements. Behavior analysts must follow the law and professional rules. Mock Exam 4. If a behavior analyst misses a scheduled session, they should 1. Ignore the missed session. 2. Apologize to the client, reschedule promptly, and take steps to prevent it from happening again. 3. Blame the client for not reminding them. 4. Continue with the next scheduled session without mentioning the missed one. Ignore the missed session. This is not correct. Ignoring the missed session does not address the issue and shows a lack of accountability. Apologize to the client, reschedule promptly, and take steps to prevent it from happening again. Looks great. According to Ethics Code 1.3, accountability behavior, Analysts should be responsible for their actions and keep their promises. Blame the client for not reminding them. This is not correct. Blaming the client for the missed session is unethical and shifts responsibility away from the behavior analyst. Continue with the next scheduled session without mentioning the missed one. This is not correct. Failing to acknowledge the missed session ignores the need to take responsibility and make amends. Therefore, the correct answer is 2. Apologize to the client, reschedule promptly, and take steps to prevent it from happening again. Mock Exam 5. A behavior analyst documents their role and expectations in a formal agreement with the client before starting services. This practice is an example of 1. Practicing within scope of competence. 2. Practicing within a defined role. 3. Maintaining competence. 4. Non-discrimination. The correct answer is 2. Practicing within a defined role. Behavior analysts should clearly define and document their professional role with clients and stakeholders. Mock Exam 6. A behavior analyst working with a new client group seeks additional training and supervision before starting. This demonstrates 1. Being truthful. 2. Practicing within scope of competence. 3. Accountability. 4. Conforming with legal and professional requirements. The correct answer is 2. Practicing within scope of competence. Behavior analysts should only do work they are trained for and seek proper training before trying new things. Mock Exam 7. To improve their skills, a behavior analyst participates in regular professional development workshops. This demonstrates 1. Maintaining competence. 2. Non-harassment. 3. Accountability. 4. Cultural responsiveness and diversity. The correct answer is 1. Maintaining competence. Behavior analysts should keep their skills and knowledge up to date through continuous learning. Mock Exam 8. A behavior analyst takes a course on cultural competency to better serve clients from diverse backgrounds. This demonstrates 1. Practicing within a defined role. 2. Accountability. 3. Cultural responsiveness and diversity. 4. Conforming with legal and professional requirements. The correct answer is 3. Cultural responsiveness and diversity. Behavior analysts should learn about and respect different cultures and backgrounds. Mock Exam 9. A behavior analyst provides equal quality of service to all clients, regardless of their socioeconomic status. This demonstrates 1. Non-harassment. 2. Non-discrimination. 3. Accountability. 4. Being truthful. The correct answer is 2. Non-discrimination. Behavior analysts should treat everyone equally, regardless of their personal characteristics. Mock Exam 10. A behavior analyst ensures a respectful and safe environment in their practice, addressing any inappropriate behavior immediately. This demonstrates 1. Non-harassment. 2. Conforming with legal and professional requirements. 3. Practicing within scope of competence. 4. Accountability. The correct answer is 1. Non-harassment. Behavior analysts should not engage in or tolerate harassment or hostility. That wraps up our third session on practicing mock exams for the BACB Ethics Code's responsibility as a professional. I hope you found these scenarios helpful in reinforcing your understanding of these critical ethical guidelines. Stay tuned for our next and final session in this series, where we'll continue practicing more mock exams. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching and see you next time.